Hi, welcome to our channel. You are watching Chronicle today. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe or follow our channel. In the busy world that we live in today, stress can be a very real threat to your health. In addition to throttling your brain with negative thoughts, stress can lead to serious physical symptoms that can be a major detriment to your body and mind. When the mind is stressed, the body wanes and the vitamins and minerals it needs are used up much more rapidly. For this reason, it can be a great idea to take vitamins for stress to help minimize the damage stress can have on your body. Studies show that people who are in a stressful mind state tend to have lower levels of B-complex vitamins. Deficiencies of the B-complex can lead to a host of other problems, including depression, irritability, and irregular nerve functioning. Vitamin C and E are also depleted faster when the mind is under stress. These vitamins are antioxidants, which are also key to health. Deficiencies of these nutrients can result in damage to cell membranes caused by free radicals. Beyond these vitamins, minerals are also depleted when the body is in a stressful state. Magnesium and zinc are two prime examples of minerals sapped from the body during these tough times. In addition to taking supplements to decrease these deficiencies, there are several other remedies that can help aid the damage caused by stress. Beta-glucan, shown in studies to enhance immune system performance, can be a great asset to the stressed mind. Medke mushrooms also stimulate the immune system, helping the stressed body as well. Gotu kola is another herbal supplement, which, in addition to helping stress, and help to ease anxiety. A combination of taking these vitamins for stress, the required minerals, and an herbal remedy to help ease stress in general, can result in a knockout punch to the stress that may be affecting you. Your body cannot operate to its full potential without the nutrients it needs, and these supplements can help you get back on the right track.